Ever wondered how well your heart is pumping? The heart, a vital organ, relentlessly works to keep us alive, but we often neglect its health. Heart diseases are the leading cause of death worldwide, making it crucial to pay attention to our cardiovascular health. The good news is, early detection of symptoms can prevent serious complications. By being aware and proactive, we can ensure our hearts keep beating strong. So, what are the signs that your heart may be in trouble? Let's delve into that next. First and foremost, chest discomfort. This can be experienced as a pressure, squeezing, fullness, or pain in the center of your chest. It may feel like an elephant is sitting on your chest or a belt being tightened around it. This sensation can last for a few minutes, disappear, then return. It often occurs during physical activity or emotional stress. This discomfort is a primary symptom of heart disease, signaling that your heart isn't getting enough oxygen. Remember, chest discomfort isn't something to brush off lightly. Moving on to the next warning sign, shortness of breath. This isn't just about being winded after a long run, it's about struggling for breath during everyday activities or even while at rest. This can be a sign that your heart isn't pumping blood as efficiently as it should be. It's a cause for concern because your heart and every cell in your body needs oxygen to function properly. So, if you're gasping for breath even when you're not exerting yourself, it's time to pay attention. Third on our list is dizziness or fainting. Now, we all know that feeling dizzy can be common, especially after standing up too quickly. However, when dizziness or fainting occurs suddenly, without an apparent cause, it can be a red flag. This could be due to irregular heartbeats or other heart-related problems, which can impede the normal flow of blood to the brain. So if you ever find yourself feeling unexpectedly dizzy, don't just brush it off. Feeling dizzy out of the blue? Don't ignore it. Lastly, we have fatigue or weakness. This is a warning sign that's often brushed off as a result of a busy lifestyle or lack of sleep. But did you know that unusual fatigue or weakness could be an indicator of heart trouble? This kind of fatigue is not your everyday tiredness. It can be more pronounced during physical activity, making even the simplest tasks feel like scaling Mount Everest. But here's the kicker. It can also occur at rest. You may find yourself feeling drained or weak even after a good night's sleep. Unfortunately, this symptom is often overlooked. Many people chalk it up to stress or aging, but it's important not to dismiss it so quickly. Heart issues can sneak up on us, hiding behind seemingly harmless symptoms. So if you're feeling unusually tired or weak, it's crucial to listen to your body. It's not just about being in tune with your body, but also about understanding what it's trying to tell you. Heart health is not something to gamble with. Remember, your heart is at the heart of your health. To recap, the 4 warning signs your heart may be in trouble are chest discomfort, shortness of breath, dizziness or fainting, and fatigue or weakness. Chest discomfort can feel like a pressure or a squeezing sensation, and it's often the most noticeable sign of heart trouble. Shortness of breath can come on suddenly, even when you're not exerting yourself. Dizziness or fainting can be a sign of an irregular heartbeat or arrhythmia. Lastly, fatigue or weakness can be subtle but persistent, and it's often overlooked. These signs are not just trivial health issues, they can be indicators of serious heart conditions that require immediate attention. Early detection is crucial in preventing serious heart complications. If you notice any of these signs, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional right away. Remember, your heart is the engine of your body. Take good care of it. Stay tuned for more health tips and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.